Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to hard boil quail eggs perfectly every time. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need fresh quail eggs, a small saucepan, and a slotted spoon. It's also crucial to prepare an ice bath with cold water and plenty of ice cubes before you start. For the best results, make sure your quail eggs are at room temperature before you begin the cooking process. This helps prevent cracking and ensures even cooking. Now, let's get those tiny eggs cooking. Carefully place up to 12 quail eggs in a single layer within your small saucepan. Next, cover the eggs with cold water, ensuring there's about 1 inch of water above them. Place the pan on the stove and bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. As soon as the water reaches a full, rolling boil, immediately remove the pan from the heat source. This precise timing is key for tender, perfectly cooked yolks. After removing the pan from the heat, keep the lid on and let the eggs sit in the hot water for exactly 2 to 3 minutes. This gentle resting period allows them to finish cooking without overdoing it. Once the resting time is up, use your slotted spoon to carefully transfer all the cooked eggs directly into the prepared ice bath. Let them cool completely in the ice bath for at least 5 minutes. This stops the cooking process and helps with easy peeling. Finally, it's time to peel and enjoy your perfectly hard-boiled quail eggs. To peel, gently tap and roll each egg on a hard surface to create tiny cracks all over the shell. For the easiest removal, peel the eggs under cold, running water. The water helps separate the membrane from the egg white. Once peeled, you can store your delicious hard-boiled quail eggs in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy them as a snack or in your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.